Hello students, we are going to learn today the verb of incomplete predication or linking verb, and then we'll get to know about subjective and objective complement of the verb with examples. So let's begin. Verb of incomplete predication. Let's consider these given examples. He sleeps. Next, he seems happy. The verb sleeps and seems in both these sentences are intransitive verbs. But when we say he sleeps, it makes complete sense. On the other hand, if we say he seems, it doesn't make any sense. The intransitive verb seems requires a word that is happy to make the sense complete. Such a verb is called a verb of incomplete predication or linking verb. The word happy, which is required to make the sense complete, is called the complement of the verb or the completion of the predication. So students, it is clear that linking verbs or verbs of incomplete predication link the subject of a sentence with the subject complements. The most common linking verb is be, and its various forms are is, am, are, was, were, been. Other common linking verbs are also there. They are appear, seem, become, look, taste, smell, feel, grow, turn, prove, come, go, keep, and sound, etc. Some verbs of incomplete predication, as in column A below, show a state or condition, and some, as in column B, show a change or a process. Let's see the examples. Column A, she is a young girl. Rohan seems happy. He appeared pleased. All these verbs as is, seems, and appeared tell about the condition or state of the subject. And next in column B, the milk turned sour. Rina went mad. He is getting angry. All these verbs as turned, went, and is getting tell about the process of change in the subject. Next concept is subjective complement. When the complement describes the subject, it is called as subjective complement. Let's see the examples. Rohan became a soldier. Here Rohan is subject, became is linking verb, as it needs a complement to make the sense complete. And that complement is a soldier. It is subjective complement as it describes the subject Rohan. Next example, the knife is sharp. She looks happy. Rose smells sweet. He felt sad. The girl seems nice. All these complements, sharp, happy, sweet, sad, nice, describe their subjects. Now these are the different forms of subjective complement. So first one is Rahul is a doctor. A doctor is subjective complement and it is a noun. She is beautiful. Beautiful is complement of the subject she. This is adjective. This house is to let. To let is infinitive. The girl seemed tired. Tired is past participle. The house is yours. Yours is pronoun. This car is of no use. Of no use is prepositional phrase. The baby continued crying. Crying is present participle. So all these complements describe their subjects and called as subjective complements of intransitive verbs. Now let us know about the objective complement of transitive verb. Transitive verbs have objects. But some transitive verbs besides their objects require some complements to make the sense of a sentence or to complete their predication, as the boys made Sunil captain. Here in this sentence, made is transitive verb as it has Sunil as object, but still the sense is incomplete. Therefore, it needs some word or words to make the sense complete. Thus, by adding captain, the sentence becomes meaningful. Captain is object complement because it describes Sunil, the object of the verb. Next sentences are the jury found him guilty and people elected Ritu their president. Both the sentences have transitive verbs found and elected as they have direct objects him and Ritu. Still, they need objective complements guilty and their president to make the sense meaningful. Students, now this is very important point to be noted. Concentrate. Complements of the verb, the nouns in particular, look like objects of the verb, but they are not. They are used to complete the sense after the verbs of incomplete predication as is, am, are, was, were, become, seem, appear, look, etc., which are intransitive verbs and therefore cannot have objects. Consider the following examples. He is a teacher. He was a teacher. He became a teacher. He appears a teacher. He looks a teacher. Teacher cannot be the object of any of the verbs of incomplete predication. It is there to complete the sense or complete the predicate and therefore called the complement. Now students, this is an exercise for you. You have to find transitive or intransitive verb. If the verb is transitive, name the object of that verb, and if it is linking verb, you have to name the complement of that particular verb. Pause the video and start doing the exercise. So guys, these are the answers of that exercise. You can match your answers with that. So this is the end of today's lesson. I hope all the concepts of today's chapter are very much clear to you. Please subscribe and like, and for any query write in comment box. Thanks for watching and bye for now.